Imagine being told you can spend lavishly on the things you love and still get rich. Sounds like a scam, right? Well, that's the exact opposite of what Ramit Sethi teaches in I Will Teach You to Be Rich. This isn't about clipping coupons or feeling guilty for your coffee habit. It's about building a rich life on your own terms. Who is Ramit Sethi? He's a Stanford-educated entrepreneur, host of Netflix's How to Get Rich, and founder of the wildly popular blog I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Ramit has helped millions get their finances in shape, without shaming them into a miserly lifestyle. The big lessons. Automate your money. Ramit believes willpower is overrated. Set up automatic transfers for savings, investments, and bills, so your money grows while you sleep. Think of it as a set-it-and-forget-it system that makes wealth building effortless. Focus on big wins instead of stressing over small expenses. Tackle the big ones. Negotiate your salary, cut unnecessary bank fees, and choose the right credit card. These big wins save you thousands over a lifetime, way more than skipping avocado toast. 3. Spend extravagantly on what you love. If you love travel, spend on it without guilt, but ruthlessly cut spending on things you don't care about. Money should amplify your happiness, not just sit in an account. 4. Invest early and consistently. Forget market timing. Invest automatically in low-cost index funds. Time in the market beats trying to outsmart it. Even $100 a month can grow into six figures over decades. 5. The conscious spending plan. This isn't a budget. It's a guilt-free framework where you allocate percentages of income to fixed costs, savings, investments, and guilt-free spending. It's about control, not restriction. Why this book matters. Ramit gives you permission to stop obsessing over pennies and start focusing on systems that make you rich while you live your life. It's practical, modern, and unapologetically bold. My take, this book flips the script on personal finance. It's not about deprivation. It's about designing your money around your dream life. Reading it made me realize the real goal isn't to be rich someday. It's to live richly now. Like, comment below. What's your definition of a rich life? Like, subscribe for more practical money advice that actually works. And grab I Will Teach You to Be Rich, to build a life where money supports your dreams.